Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Tigay, the portfolio manager of the Rational Equity Armor Fund. Let's get right into it. We are talking about inflation, and inflation equals volatility right now in this market. It seems like a buildup. We've been talking about inflation. Now it just is the whole market. Is inflation there or not? It's just a binary on-off switch for the market. And the rational trader is probably sitting back and saying, what is going on? Why is this? And there's a simple answer. Of course, the market looks out 12 to 18 months in the future. People might have been scratching their head a year ago when the economy was, let's face it, not doing great. But the equity market was just racing higher. Why was that? Because people were pricing in a really good economy in 2021 a year ago. And that proved to be right. And maybe it's going to be even hotter than people thought. And that might, of course, lead to inflation. Inflation means higher rates. Of course, means a little bit harder path for these equity markets with higher interest rates. So that's what we're pricing in for 2022. From my point of view, I think it could be a little bit short-term hiccup in volatility, but if we have inflation, that probably means a huge GDP number for 2021 and 2022, and these equity numbers will be able to stomach some inflation and some interest rate rises if that is the case. So that's just my 2 cents. We'll see how it all plays out. Now, under the surface, we got the VVIX at 110. That's telling me these futures are going to move around a lot for the next couple of weeks. And of course, we have the skew at 140. That's on the higher end of the range, but it's not hasn't really moved too much one way or the other. It's not telling me anything significant other than we got the VIX right around this 20 level. That's a big spot for me. Above that, I'm concerned to the downside in the market. Below that, I think I still am, the market's still comfortable at these levels. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.